Again, Brycen from Planet Brycen. Today we got trash fit. But first we have to open out this one, then we're gonna open the next one. I see what we got next. That's these ones. And I got Sosa.
Turn it right here. Oh, he's cute.
That's the guy I have.
Who are those kids in the background?
I don't know.
You don't know them?
No.
That boy right there and that girl, you don't know them.
And that's a fur.
Are you going to introduce those kids in the background?
Ooh, yeah. That's it for these figures.
I just want one.
That's it for one. These figures. Mom, can I go on them with my yogurt? When I'm done with my chest box, can I get our yogurt?
Maybe.
Okay, I'm gonna get my yogurt.
No, you're not. You're going to finish this.
Huh?
And after that, too.